What's up, y'all? It's your girl AC, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video, and as you guys can see, if you guys have seen the other video, you'll be like, huh, bitch, you're wearing the exact same stuff that you wore in your last video. Well, that's because I'm actually making my last video. So I've come to the point where I have to put my lashes on and stuff. I really found a very cool trick that I would like to share with you guys because it's very cool. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a very small, oh, I'm sorry, I'm kind of touching my, yeah. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to coat our eyelashes once. You just want to coat it once, really. And then we're going to take our lash glue, if we can find the bitch lash glue, and then we're going to take our lashes and do this. When I started doing my makeup, like using lashes and stuff, it was a mess, and I really had to find a way to do everything, but I did. So if you guys want to know how I did that, then just let me know and I'll make a video right away, honestly. While they are drying, I bought these little individual lashes just from my local beauty supply store. If you're from Antwerp, it's the G. I bought this one in opposite of the hair shop beside MoneyGram. Gewoon begin van Offeranderstraat, right there. So then we're going to coat our eyelashes again, but this time I like to use a very thin spoolie. I don't know if you guys can see this. Can you see it? Yes. So a very sharp spoolie, just like so. Coat it once. And then you want to take those individual lashes, take one. Take your glue, put it behind your hands, just like so. You see? Take it, pop some glue on there, like literally the littlest. You see it? Like very little. Wait for it to dry or like semi-dry. And then you're going to look at how it bends. So your hair, it can bend either like going upwards or downwards, and considering that it's going downwards, you want to make sure that it's really downwards. And then what you do is let me change the position of my camera for you guys. So okay, so you're seeing my mirror because you really need a mirror to do this, you know. So you see how my hair is going. So now the hair is going like downwards, and I made it wet down, like downwards. Oh, no focus here. Downwards. And then you're going to take your lash and just stick it right under your lash, just like so. So that's one down, and then you're just going to continue. But I see that this lash is already getting dry, so I just pop that on there. You don't have to do it at the same time though. I just like to make things difficult for myself, you know, like so. So then you take your next one. And do the exact same thing. So again, you take your lash, make sure it's going downwards, pop some glue on it, and stick it right there. I don't like this lash, so I'm gonna take a new one. So again, it's going downwards. You take it. You see how my lash is going? And then you dip it. I already dipped it, so I'm not dipping it again. And then you just take it, and then of course you're going to leave some space. So I already put one, and then you leave some space, and then you put the next one. Like so. You don't want to stick it in your eye. That's not what you want to do. You want to stick it just, you know, you want to stick it right under your eye. So again, you dip it. And you place it again. Just like so. It depends on how you like your lashes to go, but I'm just going to go and stop like when I feel like stopping. This one is dry as well. So I'm gonna pop one more on there and then move along to the other side. Ew! I really like I'm literally looking at myself like, ooh girl. You go, girl. You know what I hate? When you get glue on your pin sets. So then it starts acting up sometimes. But that's okay. Let me let this shit focus back on me again. Hi! So, I'm almost done. Just one more to go. Just like so. And that's how I get my stuff. So if you guys want to see, like, this is how it is up close. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me show you guys in the mirror. You see? I love it. I love it. It just literally just came into my head. Also, if you guys want to see how I did this face, then please go back to the other video, to the last video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys super much. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Deuces. Have a blessed life. Have a nice day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.